Good morning children, welcome back to the English class. So this video we will see the third lesson, C reading of first unit, letter to a friend. So this is the third chapter of unit 1, family. So unit 1 we have seen two chapters already, the tattered blanket and my mother, the lesson and the poem. Now it is third one, it is a letter written by Ramesh to his friend Suresh. So Ramesh writes a letter to Suresh for apologizing, to express his sorry for not meeting Suresh during Suresh visit Hyderabad. So Ramesh and Suresh, they are childhood friends. They lived in same village. They enjoyed the life. They studied same school, same class. They were listening to the parents, grandparents, and they were enjoying the life. But at present, Ramesh is working as a computer programmer at Hyderabad. He is staying there with his wife, who is also a computer engineer. So they are working in two different companies. Ramesh and his wife, they are very busy with their own official duties, and they have one child. And when they are going to the workplace, they send the child to the child care center, and after working for hours, they come back in a tired mood, and they have no time to sit and talk each other. They have no time to sit and talk to their own child. And he recollects, here Ramesh recollects about his childhood days, how pleasant it was, how joyous it was. So this way he is writing about his past and present to his friend Suresh. So recently Suresh had come to Hyderabad for another purpose, but Ramesh couldn't meet him because of his busy schedule of his official duties. So his letter is written to Suresh apologizing for not meeting Suresh during his visit to Hyderabad. So Ramesh recollects about his childhood days, how he and his friends played, how they swam in the pond and river, how they enjoyed the stories from their grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, how they enjoyed their schooling days, how they sat on same bench, how they answered the question of teacher, and so on. So many other things which made their life really ever memorable. So they are really happy thinking about those days now. But now they lost that happiness. Now they are leading a mechanical life. They may get up in the morning in a particular time, they have to get ready, they have to go to office, they have to do the official works for long hours, and they have to come back late night or late evening, and again there is not sufficient time to even to talk to their own child or talk each other, and this is a routine. So this is a mechanical life. So this mechanical life always take us into tensions and worries. It won't give any kind of relief or pleasure to our life. So here Ramesh also is bothered about his mechanical life. That's why he is thinking about the past, his childhood days, when he was living in a village, how pleasant it was, how the happiest they were, how the happiest moments they were enjoying in those days. So this is the comparison made between the past and present of Ramesh's past life and present life. So he happened to shift from the village to the city, from his village to Hyderabad, because he got a job in Hyderabad as a computer programmer or a computer engineer. He got a job in Hyderabad, so he has to shift his family from a village to the city. And his wife also was working in another company as a computer engineer, and she also was very busy with her own official works. So they had been living a busy life. So this monotonous life, there was no pleasant moment in their life. Monotonous life made tensions and worries in their mind. So this is the occasion. He writes a letter to his friend Suresh So this is a letter. So as you know, a letter is written in two occasions. One is formal letter, another one is informal letter. Official letter or personal letter. So formal letter is called official letter, that we write letter to the offices, like you are as a student, you write letter to a headmaster, to the principal, or we write letter to a collector, chief minister, police department, etc., etc. It's called official letter, or we can call it as formal letter. And when we write to a friend or a family member or parent, etc., it is called informal, or we can call them as personal letter. So this letter is a personal letter, because here Mr. Ramesh is writing letter to his friend Suresh. So the format of letter is the format of a personal letter or informal letter. You can find the place and date, salutation addressing Suresh, and the different paragraphs containing the idea of the what he has to share with Suresh, and finally the writer's name. So this is the format of a informal letter or personal letter. So you have learned how to write letter also, and you have learned the feelings of Ramesh from this letter. So Ramesh is totally disturbed because of his busy life in city. So it was not because he was living in city, but because of his busy schedule, and he has no sufficient time to spend with his family, one family like wife and children, wife and child. So the way he enjoyed in his childhood and the way his child is disturbed, he was comparing these two, how he was enjoying his childhood and how his son or daughter is disturbed now. So the early morning the parents go to the office, at the same time they leave child in the child care center, and evening when they come back from the workplace they take child home. So there is no care of the parents towards the child. The child is not enjoying the love and affection of his parents, whereas he used to enjoy the love and care of his parents, his grandparents and family members. So this difference is compared by Ramesh. So as we told the theme, family, here the nuclear family, the negative or the negative side of nuclear family is mentioned here in this letter. Nobody is free, nobody is having free time, all are very busy. Especially the people those who are working in the private sector, they have a lot of things to do, otherwise they will lose the job. Whereas in government sector, there is a limitation. So this software industry also comes under private sector only. So here Ramesh he is leading a job in private sector. It's unsecured job, not a government job. At any time the management can send him out on other reason. So they have to be very careful about their job, and they have a lot of restrictions and limitations while in giving care towards the family members. So this is the condition of many people like Ramesh in our society. So this is what you understand from the third chapter, letter to a friend, by Mr. Ramesh wrote a letter to his friend Suresh. So here we have two words I can give. One is faded, less bright. So here faded means his hope became faded, that is it became very dull, and disgusting, unpleasant, not happy, unpleasant one, disgusting, disappointing. So I hope all of you understood the theme or the summary of the lesson, third chapter, a letter to a friend. Read the lesson and contact your concerned teacher, they may explain you more. Thank you all, stay safe, meet you again.